Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove time from date timestamp. Okay, here you will see in this column, here you will see date and time, both are entered, and now I want to remove time, okay, from this date, or date from this time. Okay, so how to separate these things? So what you have to do, this is very simple. You don't need to anything to do. What you have to do, just copy this, and now I'm going to copy this. Okay, then select the column where you want the date. Okay, so I want date in this column and time in this column. So now what you have to do, you have to just paste it here. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to just select all the cell, then you have to just right click and go to format cells. Then here in numbers, here you will see date option, just click on this date and now select any format. Okay, so I want to select this format. Okay, this one I want to select, this one. Okay, now just click on okay. Now here you will see date has been separated, and then click paste, copy and paste, and then what you have to do, again right click. Okay, format cell, now go to time, select the time, click on ok. So like this you can remove date from timestamps, or you can separate date and time here. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.